It's the Aunt Nae Nae Show. Hey!
Hey kids, it's Aunt Nae Nae here, and today we are going to make some pine cone bird feeders. And I am here with my very special guest, actor and proud grandpa, Eric Roberts.
It's great to be here, Aunt Nae Nae. Thanks for having me.
Thank you for agreeing to be on the show. So first of all, let's make sure we have all of these supplies we need. We got your pine cone, your peanut butter,
Your pine cones, your peanut
and
butter,
your bird seed right there.
bird seed.
Got it? Good. Now, the first thing you're going to do is take the peanut butter, put it on your spoon, and you're going to put it all over the pine cone, like that. Might get messy, so you might want to put down some newspaper or something. Woo.
And then after you have
All
peanut
right.
butter pine cone, you roll it
after
in
you
the
put-
seed.
Yes, you roll the pine cone in the bird seed. I'm going to use my hands to put it on. Okay. And then what you do next is you take some string that I've got here, and you're going to tie it, use the string to tie the pine cone onto a tree branch outside, and then the birds will love it.
I can't wait. I'm going to hang mine as
Okay.
soon.
It is a good way to feed the birds because it's using all natural ingredients that are good for the birds that won't harm them. And it's a fun activity for the kids. And that is how you make a pine cone bird feeder. Thank you so much to our special guest, Eric Roberts, for being a good sport.
Thanks for being here, Aunt Nae Nae.
And now, Mr. Roberts, will you help me say the thing that I say at the end of every Aunt Nae Nae episode, which is,
You are smart. You are kind. You are important.
that's right. And thank you, kids. Keep on watching the Aunt Nae Nae Show. See you next time. Bye.
Bye-bye.